Here we have a 68 plate BMW 530e M Sport. Now this vehicle comes with the carbon black exterior paintwork. We do have the LED headlights, the gloss black front grills and front splitter. We do have the M Performance kit on this vehicle, so as we come around to the passenger side you'll find the side skirts running along the bottom. We also have the 20-inch Wolf Race alloy wheels in gloss black. You can see we do also have the red M Sport brake calipers behind. You'll then find we have the carbon black exterior paintwork with the colour-coded door handles. We do have the black trim around the windows and the privacy glass for the rear passengers. Up top you'll find the shark fin antennae. We also have front and rear parking sensors with a visual display inside. Rear diffuser at the back with the quad tip exhaust. And making our way back round to the driver's side you'll find the vehicle is free from any major marks, dents or scratches. So if we take a look at the interior, we'll have a look at the back first. You'll find we do have the leather seats, as you can see just here, foldable armrests in the centre and fixed ISO points as well. You may have noticed the ambient lighting on the doors, electric windows as well. Taking a look at the front, you'll find the same leather seats with both front seats being heated. They're also electrically adjustable. There's a quick look at both of them. Just take a seat inside, you find the automatic lights just down here. Got the digital dashboard in front of us and the multifunctional steering wheel. Put my foot on the brake, press the start button, and the vehicle will start up. We've got the cruise control and speedometer buttons here on the left, along with the phone connectivity and the volume buttons on the right. Paddle shifters as well either side. We also have the automatic wipers just here on that stalk. Main infotainment screen, plenty of features on here. You can see it's currently showing the sat nav. If we go through them quickly, you'll find we have the radio stations. Over to the left and you'll find the different media options which we can go through. You'll also find the phone connectivity for phone calls. If we go onto the main menu, onto the settings, you'll find the interior ambient lighting. Plenty of colours on here which we can go through. You can see all these different options. Looks really nice, especially at night time. If we change to orange, you can see the lights change to orange. We also have the intelligent safety, making it a very safe vehicle to drive. Moving further down now, you'll find the vents. We also have the climate control, got the heated seats either side, and the ice-cold air conditioning, all working as it should do. Automatic gearbox, which has the different drive modes. You can press these buttons and quickly switch through all the different drive modes just like so. Also changes the design for the dashboard depending on the drive mode. So as you can see, as we flick through them, it will change slightly. Putting the vehicle into reverse, parking sensors will appear on the screen. Back into park, and that is all on the show today. If you'd like to find out more, please get in contact or check out the website. This vehicle comes through a fresh service, fresh MOT, and next delivery is available. Thank you for watching. Video test drive of this BMW 530e M Sport. Now the purpose of the video test drive is to show the vehicle that drives as you expect it to. As you can see, not to fire at the steering wheel to keep it in a straight line, not veering off to the left, but to the right hand side, staying straight and true. Now we're doing the multifunction steering wheel, which has the cruise control and the speedometer buttons on the left, along with the phone connectivity and volume buttons on the right. Now we are just approaching a junction, so we're slowing down. We're going to put our right indicator on, approach the junction, and then make sure it's safe to turn right. So just going to wait for these cars to go. So turning right, and then we're going to continue like normal, get up to speed with the automatic gearbox. You also have the paddle shifters either side of the steering wheel if you want to stick the car into manual mode. If you do listen carefully throughout the video test drive, you'll also notice you'll be free from any wanted knocks or bangs. We also have the leather seats throughout the vehicle, really comfortable, could easily do 2, 3, over 400 miles in this vehicle, still get out feeling fresh. Both front seats being heated, it's perfect for these cold winter mornings. We also have the ambient lighting which runs all throughout the interior. You can see it across the doors and also across the dashboard. Really makes the interior a nice place to be. It looks really nice at night time. We also have the main infotainment screen that's currently showing the sat nav. Plenty more features on there though you would have seen on the photos. For example, the DAB radio and Bluetooth phone connectivity. Now we also have the climate control just below there, which has the ice-cold air conditioning, perfect for the hot summer days. We are just going to take another right-hand turn just in a moment, so we're going to put our right indicator on again, and as we come up to the turn, we're going to make sure it's safe to turn right. So Just wait for these cars to go past, and then we're going to turn it right just in a moment. Let this last car go, and then we're going to turn right onto Groby Road. I'm going to accelerate again, get up to speed, going through the gears, nice and smoothly with no issues. We also have the different drive modes on this vehicle. You can press the buttons just down here to switch between the drive modes. We are approaching a bend now, so I'm going to take it nice and steady, slow down, coming around the bend and approaching the dealership. We're going to put our left indicator on, slow right down, and then turning left onto the dealership. I will perform an emergency stop in 3, 2, and 1. Hold on to the brakes, put the car into reverse. We've got the parking sensors appear on the screen. Back into drive now with no issues whatsoever. Now, if this video hasn't answered all your questions, then please feel free to get in contact with our sales team, where they can answer all unanswered questions, along with one of some inquiries of you. That's all from me today though. Cheers.